Here, and we're going to talk about how to assign a digital product that you've bought in Teachers Pay Teachers to your class if you're using Google Classroom. So for example, this right here is a digital product on its Google Slides where students can click, and then they have activities, like they could drag these to create, like just complete whatever the task is. And this is just one example. But let's say you purchased this and you now want to assign it. So you'd go to your Google Classroom, and let's say when you first get there, it will look like this. So you're in Google Classroom, then you're going to go over to Classwork, create an assignment, and you would label it. So for this one, it would be Subitizing cards, or if you wanted to label it something else, you could. Number talks, daily practice, math. And then over here, you'll see that I have a class that's first grade. If you had whatever your class name is, you'll need to make sure you're on that. If you have multiple classes, look at that. And then I'm going to assign it to all students. But you could click and then select specific students if you were trying to differentiate different ones. And then if you had specific instructions, please complete this before, you could say before a certain day, or just complete this and turn it in. And then you would add the product. So you're going to go to Google Drive, right? When you buy an item in Teachers Pay Teachers, you can then, it will save it into your Google Drive. And it's a slide that I'm going to select. So this one right here. And then add. So now I can see what's there. And right here it says students can view. This is the important part, the really important part. You don't want students just to view it. You want them to be able to edit it, and even don't even click that. Come down here where it says make a copy for each student. You want to select make a copy for each student so they are not all working on the same one document. They each need their own copy so that you don't have every student in your class working on the same one. So right now I have it all set up. I've labeled it. We have instructions. I have the document loaded. Make a copy for each student. I know what class it's going to, how many students it's going to. If you want to add a due date, you can, and topic, you can do that. And then you assign it, and it will now show up on their feed to turn in. So it will be on the stream as well that I have posted a new assignment, and there it is. So that's how you assign something from Teachers Pay Teachers into Google Classroom. All right, hope you enjoy that.